Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be opening my Yume Twins box. I'm so excited to see what is in here and all the goodies we got for March. March is almost over. It's crazy. It's been an interesting month for sure. Alright, we're gonna open this real quick with this knife. Why are we so dark? I know. Alrighty, so I can open. Of course I didn't open it all the way. Yay! Okay, so this is the little booklet that is in here. There's something hanging out, but I won't mess with it too much. Okay, so the first thing I see is this super cute little sponge. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness, I love it. And it's like got the little scratchy side and then the squishy side. And that's that. Next, there's like a little Hello Kitty. I'm not sure. Oh, this cleans your phone. Hey, that's awesome. I need this because I hate fingerprints on my cell phone. So this will be great to use, actually. Cool. I have a little bucket. I'm guessing for, I don't know, springish summer. Look how cute that is. How fun. I'll probably figure out some way to use that. Next is, oh, it's a trash can. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a little trash can. How cute. Of course I'll be able to use this. Why does it not move? Oh. Oh. Okay, I'll stop messing with it. Look at how cute that is. It's a little tiny itty bitty trash can. How fun. I can use this for makeup stuff when I need to throw like wipes and stuff away. I have so much stuff from this specific, oh, it's an apron. I can cook with this. How cute is that? I have like this now. I have a bag. I have some other thing with this print on it. I have a lot of stuff with that. Animals, little dogs. Oh, it's a little puppy air freshener. Look at how cute that is. I hope it smells good. Can't really smell it in here. Well, hopefully this smells good. I'll put it in my car for sure. And let it make it smell delicious. Okay, so we got a car air freshener. I think that's everything. Yeah, everything. Car air freshener. Cooking apron. A phone cleaner. A sponge. And a trash can. I like it. Basically, a whole lot of home stuff is what we got in this Yume Twins box. I really do like this trash can though. It's super cute. I have no idea what I'm going to fill it with, but probably makeup stuff. That's trash. But yeah. Anyways, that was a super fast video. I don't know. There wasn't like a whole lot to like freak out and go through. And then the little cute, it just got a cleaning. See? It's like be clean. That's what this box was saying. Let's be clean here. Oh, spring cleaning. So yeah. That would make sense. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. And comment below and let me know if you've been cleaning like crazy since you've been stuck in your house. I have been. I've been like going insane with cleaning. It's been a lot of work, but in a good way. It's been like really like soothing for the soul. Just to really like declutter, clean everything out that I don't need anymore. And yeah, so it's been really good. So comment below. Let me know what you guys have been doing in quarantine, if it's like been fun for you, if it's been terrible for you, what has been keeping you busy, and all that good stuff. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!
Throw your cranes up.